Hi everyone, I'm Ravina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a comforting and delicious one-pot dish called Saru Upkari. It's a Konkani speciality that combines a flavorful curry known as Saru with a tasty stir-fry or Upkari all in one dish. We start by adding 1 cup of soaked lobia beans. I've used red lobia beans. You can also use white beans to a pressure cooker. Add 2 slit green chillies and some salt to taste. These beans are not only delicious but also packed with nutrition, providing good source of protein, fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. Add enough water to cover the beans, ensuring it cooks perfectly. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. Once the pressure is released, we take out some beans and smash them to create a thick consistency in our broth. This step is optional, but it adds wonderful texture to the dish. Now let's smash the beans. I'm using a pav bhaji smasher, or you can also use the back of the tumbler to smash this. While this dish may appear simple, it tastes amazing that will keep you come back for more. In my home, there are never leftovers with this dish. You can also have it just like a soup. Put back the smashed beans to the dish and mix it well and wait till you get a good boil. You can find the recipe of this Saru Upkari in the description box. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends. No Konkani dish is complete without a flavorful tempering. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add in mustard. When the mustard starts to splutter, add 6 garlic cloves and let it fry till it turns to golden brown. Add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and mix it. Finally, add the curry leaves. Pour this aromatic tempering over the delicious Saru Upkari, infusing it with even more flavor and aroma. And there you have it, a simple yet irresistible Saru Upkari ready to be enjoyed as a wholesome meal all on its own. I'm going to serve this delicious Saru Upkari with some steamed rice and going to enjoy it without any sides. Trust me, if you try this dish, you will be hooked. Thank you friends for watching my video. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.